Hi, third grade. Today we're going to talk about using different resources and why it's essential to use a variety of resource tools. If we start off with this one right here, this is more of science. You're going to use this resource tool to talk about science. It'll help you narrow down your idea. You could brainstorm and look around on this, and it has all different kinds of topics, but it's science related. Now, if we click on this encyclopedia, this you can use for biographies, you could use for history, you could use for science. It'll allow you to give you the meat of your information. So if I typed in, say, the Texas Alamo, and I click on the search button, it'll give you more than just one article about the Alamo. It'll give you many articles for you to use. So this is a great resource that once you know your topic, you can use it and find more than one article to back up your information. I like this one. This is a safe search one. You can type in your information. See, you type in the Texas Alamo. You could type in big cats. You could do science stuff. And it'll give you information. But you can't just say cats because that gives you too much. So you might want to narrow it down by saying like big cats or wild cats. Fact Monster is a great resource tool. It has world history and natural disasters. It has U.S. history, and it has things about people. You could do the biographies. You could look at math and science. All about books. It could help you with grammar and spelling. Now, this is sort of generic. It will give you some information. I'm trying to click on that. It'll give you some information, but you're not going to use this as your total information, your main source. It's going to be one of your sources. So it's really important to know what you're researching so you can pick the type of resource tool you want to use. We have Pebble Go. Pebble Go, you click it in. Look at that. It's already there. It gives you your different topics. You click on that tile. It breaks it down even more.
Animal classification.
If you click
About fish.
Click on that, and it gives you some more tiles. If you click on the tiles, see, it will read it to you. If you click on that and look at the extra, it breaks it down even further. So this is a good tool to get started. But you will want to use the encyclopedia to fill out your paper. Kidtopia. Again, it's a great one to get started. You know, if you're struggling with finding your topic or you're not sure what you want to do, you could click on one of those little pictures to help you. And look at that. It's a biography, but it has all the different types of musicians. It's a good place to get you started. Now, we have Scholastic. Scholastic is a nice resource as well. It's not as good as some of the others, but you know, it can help you, and you have all these different things you could click on and learn a little bit more information. If you have Go Gale, Go Gale is a great one. Look at this. You have topics, you've got books, you have news, you have pictures, you have videos. You can click on one of these pictures and it will give you more information. So if you wanted to learn and research sports, you could click on sports, and it breaks it down into athletes, sporting events, sports and games. This is a good resource to use to get you started. Now, look at the almanac. This is more of a science one. You're going to learn all about science, like the moon phases or the sky watch. You would not use this one to talk about biographies. You would not use this to do history. This is more for science. So as you look through these resources, realize that you need to use a variety of tools. You can't just use one tool. You'll need more than one, because each website will offer you something different. And, like the encyclopedia, it has tons more information, but you might get overwhelmed if you started off with the encyclopedia. So you might want to start off with Pebble Go or Kidtopia to decide what you wanted to research on. And then as you talk about and research this with, either talking about it with your friends or you're researching on your own, you can fine-tune it and go to the encyclopedia, or you could go to one of these others like Go Gale. It is very important to know your resource tools. It's also very important to know the variety of resource tools available to you and how to use your tools. I hope this helps you in the future with anything you might want to look up. Have a great day.